Get your kids outside. Gather some crayons, a box of standard crayons. Color a circle with each one. After your kids have colored one of each of the 8 colors, standard colors, you can do white too, take them outside and see if they can find something in nature of every color. Let's go. Here's some purple. Here's some green. Here's some red. And here we have yellow. Here's black on the grate of the fence. Here is a very orange piece of evergreen. And here's a brown leaf. Bonus, there's green maple helicopters and a brown pine cone. And there is one little bluet. Love it. And right there is black. That was the hardest one to find. It's dried up old something. So there it is, a nature hunt. Get outside, have